Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can turn off auto dubbing on YouTube as a viewer. So let's get started. If you're watching a YouTube video and it's playing with an automatically dubbed audio track, you can easily switch back to the original audio. First, pause the video or move your mouse cursor over the video player so the playback controls appear. Next, click on the gear-shaped settings icon located at the bottom of the video player. From the menu that appears, select Audio Track. You will then see a list of available audio tracks for that video. Choose the language you want to listen to. The video's original audio track will usually have the word Original displayed next to it and is often listed near the top of the available options. Select that track to switch back to the creator's original audio. Once you've selected the original audio track, continue playing the video and the auto-dubbed version will be disabled for that video. This is useful if you prefer hearing the creator's original voice or if the automatic dubbing is not your preferred language. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.